Ano ba yun? Ganun kasi yung isa, yung iba anak agad. Hi Zorro, pero ano, kasal muna, 'di ba? Para ano, wala nang taka si ano, kay Danny. Hello, Master Lester Del. Mark pala. I said kay Danny, so you will not ano, um, ang hirap naman. Help me guys. Neil, help me. Pag ako kinasal ha. Oo naman, kakasaling ka apo. Keep that letter, bro. Ngoy, dali ka. Lester, tantanan mo na yan. Hi, Mr. Pleasure. Nako. Ayun na. Hi, PK. Nakik na. Apple. Ate Apple, what do you like? Beach wedding, church wedding, what? Peak. What do you like? Hi, Chiboy. Hi, Brian. Thanks sa pag-follow, guys. Hi, Jeff. Jeff. She wants beach. Oh, you already know, because I take beach too. Mmm. Mas maraming orders. Hi, Paul. Hi, Teddy. Why you already know it, Kuya Danny? Oh, you guys talk. I know. Hi, Cassin. Beach wedding. I feel like Danny will decide. Yee! Hi, Kel. Hi, Hercules. Hi, Mox. Hi, Ozul. Hello, Mox. Hi, Helix. Ay, nako. Bakit? Bahamas? Wow! Sana all. Kuya Danny, I'm gonna be the bulaklak girl. Na-miss mo ba ako? Oo naman, Ozul. 500 na uli yan. Oo nga. Hello, Kel. Hi, Ami. Oo nga kay Sir Mark. Naku. Hi, Miko. Pakis nga. Kiss mo na ako. Kiss me na. Pwede mo na ako sendan ng kiss me. A man that leads. That's my weaknesses. Oh my God. Kuya Danny, you're Apple's weakness. Hi, Red Bull. Hi, Deceptor. I lead like Maximo. 365. Woo! You're like Maximo. I love Maximo. Oh. Hello, Red Bull. Hello. How are you? How are you po? What the heck? May namumuuna. True. Hello, Roy. Hi, Dark Pulse. Hello, Red Bull. How are you, Red Bull? Hi, Kush. Si Kush. Hi, Trix. Hi, JP. Namumuo ng love team. So, you wanna be my Laura? Apple looks like Laura. Very pretty. Yes, daddy. Oh my God. Hi, Alpa. Support. I'm gonna support. Oo, may namumong sama ng panahon. Bakit sama ng panahon? Hi, Aka. Hi, Anonymous. Hi, Ellie. Getting hot live now. Hi, Neil. Oh my God. Hi, Sadista. Thanks sa pag-follow. Hi, Marvin. Fine. You. Yeah, I'm fine. A little tired because um I just have my exam about an hour ago. Hi, Silo. Ano? Silo? Thank you, Red Bull. I hope Kuya Dan, hey Coconut, Kuya Danny will not get jealous because of my profile. Yeah, don't get jealous, Kuya Danny. It will be 1 year. Hi, Jerome. Hello, Leron Leron. Hi, Songsin. Ate Apple, madami na nagme-message kay Melo. I'm not jealous type. Oh. I wanna see Kuya Danny get jealous. Be dead already. Oh. Hi, Ara. Hi, Dwayne. Hi, CEO. You will kill? Hi for you. Hi, CEO. Hi, Alipin. Yeah, because he kills instantly. Oh. I will be dead. Thank you, Red Bull. I trust my apple juicy. Juicy. No more nag-tell. Ay, wow, Uzol. Hi, Wancho. Hello, hi, Hirang. Pinopormahan mo ba? Wow! Iba ah. Hi, Hirang. Hi, Zel. Iba ka, Uzol ah. Si Zel. Pakagat na. Ano ko? Pagkain ba ako, Uzol? Hi, Tristan. Hi, you're looking for? Depende. Hi, Mains. Hello. Hi, God first. That's true, God first. Oh my God! Thank you, Red Bull! Thank you so much! Hindi ko pa pala napapalo, sir. Thank you so much, Red Bull! Oo nga, kalma ka, Uzol. That's you, Uzol. Hi, Tristan! Thanks sa pag-follow. Hi, Paulo. Hi, that's it. You are welcome. Thank you so much. Hi, that's it. Yeah. Red Bull, where are you from? Thank you, Kuya Danny. Thank you. That's it. Ayan na. Ayan na si Kuya Danny. Japan. Oh, Japan. Is it snowing there? Sabihin nyo na lang kung nanalo. Nanalo ba? Ayun, sumabog. Sumabog. Ay, naku. Kuya Danny. Ba? Hindi ko nakita. Oh, wala bigla. Bakit ganun? Hindi ko nakikita. Hindi ko nakikita ko na nanalo. Bakit wala? Ulit nga eh. Buti na lang, 39 lang. Hay! Sa'kin ka kasi nakatingin. Ay, wow. Wow kayo, Danny, ah. Many Dias, ah. Hi, Young Bae. Ayoko na! Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! That's so sayang. Hmm. I can't. Oh, panalo ba? Oh, you win!